Welcome there, my viewer. Today I'm shooting a totally different video showing you my mountain bike. It's a 26-inch mountain bike Btwin model. Just look at how dirty it is after yesterday's ride. It was raining in the morning. It got pretty dirty. So I want to do a quick wash of the bike, and then we do a comparison. Later we see how clean it's going to look like after washing and doing some small servicing of the bike. So stay tuned and watch the after video. So this is how the bike looks like after cleaning it. You can see now it looks clean and shiny. All the mud that was clogged on the cassette has been removed, thoroughly cleaned. I'm just remaining now to oil it. My crank is also clean, Shimano crankset. It's a 3x8 speed mountain bike. You can see the stanchions are really shining. The suspension is clean. You can see my cockpit, it's clean. And even on this other side, it's all shiny and clean. The mud that was below there has all gone. Washed it clean. Now I oil it and then prepare it to use it this week. Thank you for watching this video clip.